Good morning dear students. Today we will do exercise 6.2 question number 2. Write a Pythagorean triplet whose one member is already given 6. So we know that we can get Pythagorean triplets by using the general form. By using general form. So what is the general form? 2m m square minus 1 m square plus 1. Okay, m2m m square minus 1 m square plus 1. First member is given, so it means 2m is equals to 6. 2m is equals to 6. Now what is the value of m? M equals to 6 upon 2. Value of m is equals to 3. Now second member of triplet, second member is equals to m square minus 1. What is the value of m? This is the value of 2m and this is the value of m. So put it here. Value of m is 3 square minus 1. What is 3 square? 9. 3 into 3 minus 1. So this is our answer, 8. Now third member here. Third member equals to m square plus 1. M square plus 1. So m square means 3 square plus 1. 3 square, 3 into 3, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So in introduction also we have discussed this is the answer, but at last you have to write one statement. The statement is Pythagorean triplet is equals to, yes, what is our answer? 3, 8 or 10 or 6, 8 or 10? Always one member is given in the question. Okay, so this is your answer, not this one. Again I am saying this is your answer. So 6, 8 and 10. Okay, 6, 8 and 10. Now move to the second part. But before that, just check the procedure. What we are doing? One member is given. Okay, general form is 2m m square minus 1 m square plus 1. So our one member we are taking as 2m. 2m is equals to 6. So value of m is equals to 3. 2 shift kar do in the denominator. So finding the second member is m square minus 1. So what is the value of m? Value of m is here 3. Put it here. 3 square minus 1. 3 square is 9 minus 1. Answer is 8. Now third member is m square plus 1. So what is the value of m? Again 3. 3 square plus 1. So 9 plus 1, that is 10. So these are our final Pythagorean members. So the answer is 6, 8 and 10. This is not our answer. We will use the value of m only for finding the another values. Now move to the question number 2. Now the second part is write a Pythagorean triplet whose one member is given 14. So again we know we can get Pythagorean triplet by using general form, and the general form is 2m m square minus 1 m square plus 1. So first number is given 14. So let's take 2m is equals to 14. value of m is equals to 14 upon 2. The answer is 7. Second member. So second member is equals to m square minus 1. M, what is the value of m? 7. 7 square minus 1. 7 square, 7 into 7, 49 minus 1. So the answer is 48. This is our second member or number, you can say. Third member is equals to m square plus 1. What is the value of m? 7. So 7 square plus 1. What is the value of 7 square? 49. 7 into 7 plus 1, and the answer will be 50. Now again write the statement, because this is our real answer. Pythagorean triplet equals to again, this is not our answer. One number is already given, so the answer is 14, 48 and 50. This is our final answer.